Hi everyone. In this video I will continue demonstrating how to create shelves using another example with Pattern Engine for 3ds Max. If you're not familiar with Pattern Engine, please check the link in the description. Start by creating a rectangle of 3 by 3 meters, then click the Create button. Enable both concave and size modes. Set the dimensions as shown in the video, then go to Common Settings and uncheck Cap Concave Holes. Set the minimum border to 5 cm and check Flip XY. Adjust the minimum and maximum row offsets to 40 cm. Enable the Tile Array option in Common Settings to ensure that the items fill the entire area. Set both the minimum and maximum spacings to 5 cm. Set the backplate depth to 35 cm and enable Two Sides mode. Disable the bottom scale locks and set the values as shown in the video. This will allow the item's bottom scales to be controlled independently. Add a random effect to the bottom Y scale and tweak the value until you achieve a desirable result. Feel free to add other effects and experiment with the parameters to create a variety of forms. Next, let's apply a gradient effect with the parameters shown to continue. Add a random effect to visibility. This will randomly remove some shelves, making them appear solid. This demonstrates how to use effects with visibility. You can also make the shelves borderless on the top and bottom. Go to Common Settings, set the minimum border to 0, and adjust the left and right borders accordingly. Feel free to change the dimensions or row offsets until you're satisfied with the result. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching.